Hello viewers. Today I will be teaching how to create sliced face effect using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now select the Quick Selection tool and start selecting the area of face. Right-click and then click on Layer via Copy option. Delete the old layer. Now press Ctrl+T and adjust the size of the image. Go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White. Adjust the colors to make it look more dramatic in black and white filter. Now select the pen tool. Select Path option. Select the bottom part of the face using pen tool as I do. Right-click and click on Make Selection option. Now select any selection tool. Right-click and click on Layer via Cut option. Name it as 1. Select the main layer and repeat the same procedure again to cut all the parts of face. Select the number 1 layer and increase distance between them. Press and hold Ctrl key and select the second layer and move it. Similarly adjust all the layer. Now create a new layer and drag it at the bottom of layer number 1. Name it as A. Select the pen tool. Select Shape option here. Now select the color of your choice in both boxes. Reduce line weight to 0.1. Start drawing the shape and bottom part as I do. Now select the layer number 2 and create a new layer and drag it at the bottom of layer number 2. Repeat the process and draw the shape in all parts as I do. Now select the layer 8. Create a new layer. Right-click on it and select Create Clipping Mask option. Select the brush tool and adjust its size. Now select black color in color picker. Start painting over the red color. This will create the shadow effect. Now select the layer B. Create a new layer. Right-click on it and select Create Clipping Mask option. Start painting. Similarly, repeat the process for all the colors. Now add a gradient layer. Select black and white gradient. Now copy my settings. Drag it to bottom. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.